Hi, everybody. It is the Weather Blender blog for the 28th of February. All right, February is done. Woohoo, party time. Well, not like it's going to warm up really tremendously here very quickly, but it will warm up a little bit as we go throughout March. Let's jump right to the maps again and start off by checking out the radar. We've seen some light snow showers mainly to the north of the West Virginia area. The rest of the region just been kind of cloudy, have some Great Lakes snow going on, have some rain out there across portions of Texas. That's a new system that's going to slide to the east. That'll come close to us. We have some differences on the models I'll show you that would come into play for Tuesday and Wednesday. Just a real quick note here as we wrap up this month. 47.4% of the continental United States covered in snow as of the end of the month. There you can see the satellites. Actually, this is a computer representation of the snow cover, and it goes all the way down through sections of western North Carolina and all the way, of course, down through the Four Corners region. So once again, very, very cold out there. Now let's get into the model. Starting off 7 o'clock Monday, big area of low pressure still spinning off in New England with lots of snow for them and little wraparound flurries being shown in our neighborhood. There's that low pressure around Texas. Not really sure if that's going to amount to anything as we watch it slide to the east. This is on the GFS model Tuesday morning. Finally, that low over New England moves away to the north or the east. Lots of high pressure out to the west and not showing us any precipitation for Tuesday on the GFS. Just kind of cool. And the next system again down around Florida Panhandle. All right, so we slide up to Wednesday, and this shows that second low from Florida sliding up the east coast with the high pressures out to the west. The overall flows out of the north, northeast, and it's showing a few flurries, but generally we don't see too much activity from that. So maybe a flurry Wednesday morning if you look at the GFS model. Jumping over to the Canadian model, this is Tuesday again, 7 a.m. There's your storm over Florida, high pressure over the Great Lakes, and that would bring the same kind of a northeasterly flow. But it's pretty stingy on precipitation, as you can see by Wednesday. Doesn't show any snow at all over the region. So we'll also check out the Japanese model. Actually, yeah, this is the Japanese model, even though it says GM. I mislabeled it. This is looking at the rain again around the Gulf Coast, Florida, 7 a.m. Tuesday. And then we slide out again to Wednesday, and we see that that thing is a little bit slower, but it does have the wraparound light snow showers, let's say from Morgantown areas to the north. And again, I mislabeled that one. That one says Canadian, but that's actually the Japanese model. Sometimes you get your models all messed up. Here's one from the UK Met. This is out of Great Britain. Florida storm again on Tuesday, high pressure to the north. That matches up very nicely with some of the other models we've seen. Takes the precipitation off from the north into the east, doesn't leave any snow around here. So you see the trend here. Overall, even the models that do show snow, not showing very much at all. And this is finally the NAM model, shows the Florida Panhandle storm on Tuesday morning. Again, lots of high pressure out to the west. Does show a mountain flurry, but then that low goes up the coast. This one does show a little wraparound, what we call because of the counterclockwise motion around the low. Also, we have the highs out to the west, all bringing us a northeasterly flow of air. So let's say Wednesday, a chance of some flurries, but just a chance. Now I want to jump out to the weekend real quick, show you some hope. This is the European model, big, fat, high pressure sitting over Kentucky on Saturday, and also looking at the GFS model Saturday, 1024 high, sitting right over West Virginia, Kentucky, and Ohio. However, some warmer air pressing in, that high will slide to the east. Could see some sprinkles Saturday night, but it would be warmer. So Saturday looks pretty good, and you want to see a magic number? How about that number? 52. What does that represent? That's our forecast high for Saturday. And that'll be pretty nice. That'll help get rid of a little bit of that snow. There you go. That's a peek of what's going on as we wrap up February. Let's keep cheering, not only for March Madness, but let's keep cheering for some warmer temperatures. We'll see you later right here on the Weather Blender blog.